The zinc-air battery and why you should care. This is a simple battery you might find in your car or a smoke detector. These are typically a lead acid battery. The parts of a battery, pretty standard. Supplying power, the cathode has electrons flowing to it, and the anode has electrons flowing from it. Charging the battery, the cathode has electrons flowing from it, and the anode has electrons flowing to it. The electrolyte is a chemical, typically a liquid, that promotes electron flow. This is a simple zinc-air battery. You can notice it has a cathode and an anode, as well as an electrolyte. The zinc-air parts of a zinc-air battery are the cathode, as defined. It has electrons flowing to it, and it uses air instead of a metal, and it is coated with a catalyst. The anode is made of zinc, typically pellets or a plate. The electrolyte is the alkaline substance plus the separator, which allows ions to flow and electricity not to flow. The electrodes in a zinc battery. 2 electrode zinc batteries are typically a disposable or one-time use battery because the charging degrades the catalyst on the cathode. The 3 electrode zinc-air battery has 2 cathodes, one for charging and one providing power. This allows the catalyst to remain in full strength on both cathodes. Zinc-air battery uses. One of the biggest uses is or will be as fuel cells. The fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that needs continuous refueling with zinc and the electrolyte, and it can power buses or be a stationary generating unit. There are currently buses using this technology in China. The battery style also works well for storage from renewable power sources such as solar, wind, and any other power source that needs to have a storage cell. Why zinc-air batteries? This is the reason you should care. They have a stable voltage flow, meaning they continue with the same amount of voltage. It doesn't fluctuate. The amount of voltage is 3 times higher than a lithium-ion battery, and also doesn't use the exotic metals. It's non-toxic. It has inexpensive and accessible components, and it has the ability to scale up and down without redesign, meaning you can use it for a hearing aid battery or to power an entire building.